Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey,
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Yeah, so this is an egg sandwich. So we're gonna be showing you the food we ate in Osaka. See ya.
Max is the spice master. Nothing is spicy for him. Oh.
Sorry for taking too long time.
I am so excited. I found the cream sandwich. Lawson's. How many stores did we go into to find this one? Maybe
10.
Yeah, a lot. I'm so excited. Here we have it, our sandwich. Ooh, just creme.
What do we think?
Oh.
Very good. Kind of like a whipped cream-ish and such a succulent, soft bread.
10 out of 10. The only way it'd be better maybe is with strawberries, but that's seasonal.
We got pineapple and nectarine season right now. Not as good.
Random alleyway. Wow.
Watch out. There's a bunch of...
Anybody want to try that one? It might sound weird, but salmon, basil pesto, and mozzarella.
New discovery. Happy tummy.
New discovery. Mozzarella, pesto, and salmon. Might sound a little weird, but...
Lost for words.
Even for a cheese eater, he likes it, so that says a lot.
Yeah. The oil and the pesto that attenuates the fattiness in the salmon. Just melts in the mouth. Nice little soft, chewy taste in the mozzarella. Great.
Next one is salmon with avocado and onion. This was my classic go-to in Okinawa. This is my favorite. Max also really likes that one.
It has not disappointed so far.
The onion just adds such a nice...
Like too much mayo though every time, but it's the spot.
They love their mayo out here.
Yeah, they do. Squid sushi. What do we think? Succulent? Do the tentacles stick on your tongue?
It's like moving around. I love squid. Ice cream break.
Little orange clementine jello. Very good. Very sweet.
Supermarket sushi obtained. He's building a fire to keep us warm. Oh no, in the supermarket. Green onion boy.
出口は右側です。扉にご注意ください。